all corner of the building is having the same grounding system. We have here the grounding system for our building. So this one here is the 25 mm grounding rod, which is buried 50 centimeters below the ground and is connected to the grounding plate 40 by 40 centimeter. And this one here is the 16 mm grounding cable coming from the service provider, and this one here is the 16 mm grounding cable going to our ground floor main panel board. And this one here is our 16 mm grounding cable going to the corner of the building, which is connected to the lightning arrestor coming from the rooftop. And this cable here is also a 16 mm grounding cable, which is also going to the other corner of the building and connected to the lightning arrestor coming from, or connected to the cable coming from the lightning arrestor at the rooftop. And all corners of the building have the same setups of grounding system. Okay, the grounding system like this, the standard distance from the side of the building is at a minimum of 1 meter and buried down the ground at 50 centimeters. All four corners of the building have the same installation of this grounding system, which is connecting all the cable conductor coming from the lightning arrestor at the rooftop.